YouTube, back with another video and back with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I recently went out with this. I did a couple shorts that did okay, and I decided to go ahead and do a long form video regarding my DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now I've had this drone for a little less than a year now, and I know it's been out. I think this is the second year now that it's been released, and I just got mine not too long ago last year because it was on sale. But so far so good with this camera, man, especially since I bought this ND filter here in the front. This has worked out very well, and this is a variable ND filter. I forgot how many stops of dynamic range it has, but it is a variable one, so I can darken it depending on how bright it is outside, or I can open it all the way up. And you know, cause it was a cloudy day when I went out, and I'm sure I'm showing you guys some B-roll as I show this to show you how cloudy it was, and a lot of the smog that's here in the city of Medellin. There is a ton of smog here. But going out with this drone, man, it works excellent. No issues at all with it. I had talked about this remote before. It's just an Android tablet, basically, that's the remote. And I do have the extra batteries. And again, I normally fly with one battery. So if I could have got this with just one battery, that's good enough for me. I'm not up there for hours at a time, stitching anything together or trying to do complete 360 shots where I'm gonna go back later and put them together, or do any of the custom presets that are on here, flight modes that are already on here. I don't really do any of that. I try to go up and just take the occasional photos, do some video, spend about maybe 15, 20 minutes max up there, and that's it. So for anyone who's looking at this and catching it on sale, is it still a good buy in 2026? Absolutely, especially with these battery costs going up due to the tariffs if you're in the US. And here in some foreign countries, you know, we have inflation going up, we got the dollar going down, and prices are going up for all types of things. So this will be my last drone that I plan on buying for a while. I currently have three. This one, the Skydio 2, and my Mavic Air 2. That's all I need for now. You know, I got a tracking drone, I got a travel drone, and I got a drone that's a little bit more robust that I can take into the wind. So I'm good on drones. I don't need another one. As you can see, I have slowed way down on social media to begin with, barely putting out any videos now. And that's because my interests have gone to other things other than dealing with social media right now. But I will say, in all talk, being honest and being serious, if you are considering this drone or even the Mini 3, which is not a pro drone, but the Mini 3, I don't think it's a pro. I think it's just the Mini 3. These are still excellent drones to purchase. These cameras are excellent, 4K cameras. Now, you're not gonna get the quality that you would get on an Air 3S or a Mavic 4 Pro. Those are more professional cameras. But for consumer grade and even some professional grade, maybe with houses, if you have a real estate business or you're doing work for realtors and you're using your drones, you know, your license to fly in different areas like that, your Park 107 if you're in the States, this could be used for commercial projects like real estate. That's how good this camera is. But overall, I would say for a consumer drone, this is an excellent product. I do have a couple of trips that are coming up, and this is the drone I plan on taking with me going on those trips. This whole setup stays in my bag, and I'm gonna do a what's in my bag video just to show you how I have it set up as a small content creator who's not trying to be the top-notch professional. And probably a lot of you guys may have the same type of setup where you just have your basic needs where you don't need everything to travel with, okay? But I would say if you're looking at this, is at a good price for the combo or just the single battery setup with this remote, and the other remote will be fine if you still want to use your phone. This is still a great buy. Okay, guys, so that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always, and this has been the update almost a year later with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Until then, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.